Look, let me ask you something. How many times have you found yourself looking at your bank account at the end of the month, feeling like you've worked so hard, yet it's all gone? You barely have enough left to pay the bills, let alone put anything away for savings or investing. Trust me, I've been there. You're not alone. We all want financial freedom, but it's hard when we're stuck in this cycle of paycheck to paycheck living. You might think, I need to start saving more, but there's never enough left. Well, today I'm going to show you a tiny habit that can completely change how you think about money, and it can start working for you today. My name is Ethan, and I spend way too much time thinking about how small habits can make a big difference in your financial future. If you're someone who feels stuck in this endless cycle of spending everything you earn, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Let's break free together. All right, here's the thing. If you want to get rich, and I mean really wealthy, not just scraping by, you don't need a huge salary, a crazy investment strategy, or even some secret insider tip. What you need is a tiny habit, a habit so small you can start it today and see results over time. You might be thinking, isn't that what everyone says? Well, it's true, but here's the kicker. This habit isn't what most people think it is. It's not about sacrificing your latte or pinching pennies on every little thing. It's about automating your wealth building process. Yep, I'm talking about setting up automatic savings and investments. That's it. It's that simple. Here's what most people don't realize. When you don't automate, you're leaving things up to chance. Think about it. You've got your paycheck coming in, and the first thing you do is pay your bills, then maybe splurge on a few things, and whatever's left, if there is anything left, maybe goes into savings. Maybe. The result? You're stuck in the same cycle every month, never really seeing your savings grow. But what if you flipped that? Instead of waiting until the end of the month to see if there's any money left to save, you pay yourself first. That means, right when you get paid, a portion of that paycheck is automatically set aside for your savings and investments before you even touch it. You won't even notice it. It's automatic. Let's do some quick math to show you how powerful this can be. Say you make $4,000 a month, and you set aside just $200 for savings each month. Now, I know that sounds small, but think about it. If you do this for just 1 year, you'll have $2,400 saved up. And if you put that money in a low-risk investment, say an index fund that averages 7% per year, that $2,400 could turn into $2,568 by the end of the year. Not bad for something you didn't even have to think about. But here's the kicker. The more consistently you do this, the more you'll have in the long run. Let's say you keep doing this for 10 years, saving $200 per month. By the end of the decade, you'll have $24,000 saved up, and that's not counting the interest from your investments. You're setting yourself up for real wealth. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Our brains are wired to spend. It's a psychological fact. When we see money in our accounts, it feels like it's ours to spend. We tell ourselves, I've worked hard for this, I deserve it, and, without realizing it, we justify our purchases a little treat here, a new gadget there, until one day, we look at our bank account and wonder where it all went. But when you set up automatic transfers to your savings and investments, your brain doesn't even have a chance to justify spending it. It's gone before you even see it. And this removes that emotional battle. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't have enough extra money to automate savings. Look, I get it. Most people feel that way when they're just starting. But here's what I want you to understand. Start small. Even if it's just $50 a month, that's still progress. And over time, as your income grows, so can your savings. Another common objection is, I'm not sure what to invest in right now. Don't let that stop you. Start by saving, and once you have a solid savings cushion, you can figure out your investment strategy. The key is to just start. Let me put it this way. Building wealth is like planting a tree. If you keep waiting for the perfect conditions, you'll never plant it. But if you start today, even with a tiny seed, you'll watch it grow over time. You'll be amazed at how something small can turn into something big. But only if you start planting that tree. Every month, a little bit more no matter how small adds up. All right, so what's the next step? It's simple. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account today. Start with whatever amount you can afford, $50, $100, $200, and let the magic of automation work for you. Remember, it's not about how much you save today, it's about the habit of saving. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips on building your wealth with small, actionable steps. And if you're already automating your savings, let me know in the comments how it's working for you. I'm telling you, if you stick to this tiny habit, over time, you'll look back and realize you've built real wealth. It's not about making huge changes. It's about making small, smart decisions consistently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more actionable financial tips, and share this video with anyone who needs help getting started with their financial journey. See you in the next video.